Good morning, welcome to episode 2. Must be episode 2. It's the first day of complete day.
Yes.
on the ship.
Yeah, so it's sea day today, first sea day, heading towards Madeira. Left Tenerife last night about 10 p.m. We noticed when we was in the restaurant that we were moving, didn't we?
Yeah, that was a bit before 10 o'clock though. We weren't ready. But we were yesterday. I was very tired, so we do apologise for any video footage that looked like we were tired. We were. So we're all fresh today. The clocks have gone back an hour. We've had an extra hour's sleep. Looking forward to a fantastic day. And plans today so far.
We're going to hope to go to the main dining room for breakfast. We're going to join the virtual queue in a minute. And then I think to by the pool today.
Looks like one of those days, doesn't it? We've got the reason we're getting this virtual queue is because we're freedom dining. So we're freedom dining, so you can join a virtual queue, and then when your table's ready, you go along. It's as simple as that. You don't have to go there and wait in a queue or anything like that. Get yourself in a virtual queue and do whatever you want, which is what we did last night. If you haven't seen yesterday, travel day, embarkation day, episode 1, whatever you want to call it, go and have a little look. But it's a really good thing.
Breakfast, you don't have to be freedom dining because you do the virtual queue no matter what dining. The freedom dining is for the evening meal.
There we are, stand corrected. Every day's a learning day.
Yeah, so Shaun's not always right.
But there's loads going on tonight. I think Pulse is on tonight with an 80s thing, so that might be nice. There's a race thing going on, race experience.
Race night, there's loads of things going on. I will video a few of the activities in a little while to show you what to do during the day.
And hopefully we'll get in the pool today.
You never know.
You never know. Anyway, let's get to breakfast. And welcome back to our channel, Shaun and Sarah Jane Travel. This is a sea day. It is our P&O Cruises Azura Fly Cruise, episode number 2. We've got loads going on across the deck. It is a sea day today, arriving at Madeira tomorrow, which is going to be episode 3. Make sure you look out for that as well. But for now, sit back and enjoy. The lifts. Have we joined the virtual queue yet?
We're just about to waiting for Paul Nicole.
Wait for Paul Nicole, then we'll get the virtual queue. What are you going to have, do you know?
Smashed avocado on toast and a poached egg. That's what I'd like, whether it's on the menu or not.
Oh, right.
We'll find out.
What you're having it regardless of whether it's on the menu or not.
No.
Actually, you probably could ask, actually.
I'd only have it if it's on the menu, that's what I mean.
Oh, okay. Right.
That's what I fancy anyway.
They'll be here in a moment. Here we are sat down at the table. Ready for breakfast, just perusing the menu as to what we're going to. Do you know what you're going to have?
I'm going to have the smashed avocado with a poached egg.
Smashed avocado with poached egg. It's easy for you to say.
Oh, it's looking like the English breakfast, but maybe pancakes, but probably some eggs as well.
Oh, we're going to be in it for hours, aren't we?
Smoked salmon, maybe. I don't know. It's a mix. It's a mix.
Oh, you know, don't you? Though you're pretty set, Nicole.
Yes, I'm going to have the poached egg, but I'm going to say without ham and have it with salmon instead. And then I'm going to have a hot chocolate and a smoothie of the day.
Fantastic. And I'm going to have kippers.
Kippers.
And something else, I
Kippers
think.
and
Yeah,
something
yeah.
else.
We'll see what it is. It has arrived. And looking nice, isn't it?
It does look very nice.
It does look very nice. Finished. That was lovely. Made our way through Brody's, where we just come down. The pub. I think we'll get in there at some point, definitely. Got some Halloween stuff around. It's that time of year.
Yeah.
Lots of Halloweeny bits. We brought some costumes as well for Halloween party apparently.
Yeah, on Thursday there's Halloween parties. Good.
I brought stuff. What are we going to go do now then? What's the plan?
We're going to go to the pool and just chill, get a drink.
That's good. Get some fresh air.
See what's going on. See if there's sunbeds free.
Some
Do you reckon there'll be sunbeds free?
Let's go and find out. Let's go and find out. Come on. The terrace pool, and had a couple of spots arranged. So we came in, and everyone's going to go for a spa tour. into the gym. There we are. I wanted to say that I'd been to the gym, and now I have. All the modern equipment here. All classes. Fitness class. Classes and talks.
Like well-being.
It is very busy in the gym. Busier than I thought it would be, actually. There's a couple of spots of rain. I think it's stopped though. Thank you.
So here's our spa area where you can have a facial done, massages, related aroma storm, bamboo massage. We also do Swedish massage. Also in this area we do facials, and we also have what we call which is a detoxifying treatment, and we also do seaweed crabs and also scrubs.
Right, so a very quick tour of the spa. Nicole has got the price list now.
Yes.
What are we looking at?
Massage wise, Swedish massage, 50 minutes is £99.
£99?
Or if you feel like a stone massage for 75 minutes, you are looking at £169. Bamboo massages, 100 minutes is £189, 75 minutes is £149, and 50 minutes is £119. So
Blimey, what are you going to go for?
Depends if I win the voucher or not.
Hang on a minute, should we take a look? Let's take a look at that price list. Hang on.
Sorry about the cloud shadow.
It's easier just to have a little read, pause the video, and you can give it a good read. We're waiting now for. We're waiting for a draw to be done. See if you're going to win anything, Sarah.
You never know.
You never know.
So have you all filled out your raffle tickets? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Because every week I have to go in there like maybe 30 times to get one. Are you sure you all put your raffle tickets here? Did you refill one? No? Zimbabwe. Next vacation. By the way, I'm from Mauritius, okay? Nothing can beat this. Paradise Island. Now, but like that here is our facialist. You want to see a little bit what we do?
Hello everyone, my name is Kaladia. I'm a specialist here on board. If you want to make your skin.
All the spa done. We didn't win anything, unfortunately, but you've got to be in it to win it, and we tried, didn't we, Sarah Jane?
Definitely.
Taking a picture of the pool. It's quite nice actually because we are up by Breakers Bar. On Azura, these bar stools are still here. They're not there on Venture anymore. They've been removed. But it's a really nice place to sit. Right by the pool. Sailing, the sun shines now out. A little bit of rain has disappeared. It is a bit. There is a breeze. That's for sure. But when the breeze is gone, then it is lovely. You got mocktails, Sarah Jane?
Yes, I have. Apple and elderflower.
Apple and elderflower. I've got lemonade, actually. Lemonade. Got lemonade. A bit thirsty. It's nice in the sunshine. Kickstart things off. We're just taking the sun for a bit.
This is the life, isn't it?
This is the life. There's Sarah Jane down there. We are by the terrace pool. I don't know what I said like that. Terrace pool. I just ordered a couple of cocktails. Going to sit in the sun. Having a great time on Azura. Have a little look around inside the ship, haven't we, Sarah Jane?
This is Manhattan. Should we have a little look in here?
Oh, Manhattan during the daytime, yeah. So we left Manhattan, just came slightly up. This is Sindhu. We're going to be here, aren't we?
Yeah. So as we came from Manhattan, just past the toilet, there's like a kids craft area, and then the photograph gallery, and now Sindhu, which we're going to come in a few nights' time.
Now the photographic department, before everyone did it all on their phones and things, used to have massive things sticking out with all people's pictures on for you to buy.
These boards here used to come out, unfold.
Yeah, they did.
But there are, I think there's screens and stuff up here,
Which
which you can like log on and view your pictures. Up
yeah,
here.
Sindhu. Looking forward to getting in there. What night is it we're booked in?
Thursday night.
Thursday night. Looking forward to that. That's ages away, which is good.
Future Ventura Day. Beach Day.
Beach day.
So here, the computers, you can look at your photographs. So
Oh, if you do
have-
get a ship's photographer.
when you have your photo taken, they must ask you your cabin number or look at your card.
And pop on the screens. Yeah, I didn't think I could see them.
Or
but,
I think it might just be random once you put in the day and time that you had your photograph taken.
maybe.
I don't know, because we haven't done that.
We haven't.
Because they were taking pictures as we came from the ship first got here.
Well, I didn't
And
see
they're
that.
doing them tonight for the celebration night.
Celebration night, formal night.
So this is where you come to that.
Of course.
And then we're just going into Malabar.
Oh, nice. Don't
This is
forget
another
this.
show bar, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Don't forget this is open all day, not just in the evening. Lots of different things happening in here.
And then we get our shoulders going, do shoulder rolls, both directions.
All fit steps
And
here.
then do the head, maybe like side to side, and maybe do a few head rolls as well. Just get that neck moving. Lovely. Then we do a little
I think
face
that's fit
massage.
steps going
We're going
on.
to release some of that tension in our jaw lines, in our cheeks. You get underneath and do your tongue root as well. So tap your tongue, beautiful. Yeah. Lovely. Right. Now we can do some breathing. So some good breathing here. So I'll recap. But basically, what I'm going to do is
From here you can get out on our deck, can't you? Through these
Yep, of course
doors.
we're on deck 7, so
Do you want to go out there and have a little walk? Or
no, let's continue inside, I think, after the little tour. On deck 7, in the atrium, lovely bar. You've got to be dressed up right though when you come here on formal nights. You can hear a dance class going on. That's the blue bar. Let me show you where it is on the atrium. There we are, so you can sit here, have a nice glass of something. Look on the atrium. We'll cover this again in the evening as well. And Sarah looking over into the atrium with the dancing going on. Come into the buffet.
yes.
Can't remember what it's called.
Begins with V, doesn't it?
Oh, the Verona or something, isn't it?
Something like that.
Something like that. Yes, we're coming here. Got a table 2 by the sea.
That's good to see.
Let's see what's on for. Let's see what's on offer then for lunch. We've got some food, a mixture of everything actually. Chicken korma, a little bit of stew, some gammon, some chips, some rice, naan bread. I think you got roughly the same, haven't you?
Yeah, basically, I didn't have any gammon, but I've got a little bit of salad with it.
Oh, you did. Oh, yes, you went healthy with a bit of salad.
Cucumber lettuce.
But yeah, very nice. Sat by the sea, quite busy in the buffet. Reminds me why I don't like doing it for dinner personally. Some people do, but
We don't.
I don't. Yeah, we
We
do.
like to be waited on, don't we?
We do. That's what holiday's about, I think. Right, let's dig in. So after we finished our lunch, the sun was fully out, so get out on deck, have a good time in the sunshine, do some sunbathing. I've had to mute the sound though because there was music playing for copyright issues. Now Sarah booked in for a massage later on, so she has got a view of the room here. As you can see, this is one of the treatment rooms in the spa. Hello, good evening. It is Sunday evening, and it is celebration night, hence being dressed up like this. What happened this afternoon then? Couldn't do much videoing because we were around the pool doing a music quiz, so copyright, we can't include that. No. So there's no point. Then after the music quiz, Sarah went to the spa.
Yes, I went and had a lovely massage, so that I feel all relaxed now.
Is that the first time you've done that on a cruise?
Yeah, your massage, yeah.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was really, really nice and relaxing, really, really good. At the end, she did try selling me products, but she explained it really well. She wasn't pushy in any way. I said I'll have a little think about it.
It's upselling. It's all about the upselling.
Yeah, she didn't, you know, she wasn't like pushy or anything. She was just said, yeah, that's fine. And I took the piece of paper away from there with me. I said that wrong then. She advised another massage before the end of the cruise, obviously.
I bet she did. Yeah, well, it's good you had a good time, which is absolutely fantastic.
But it was really, really good, really relaxing. And now went straight back to the cabin, got changed, washed my hair.
Ready for celebration night.
And ready for celebration night.
I guess it's what would have been Captain's Gala night, isn't it?
Yeah. So tonight, the plan is meet Paul and Nicole for a drink, go and have some dinner, and there is a race night in the casino, which we thought we'd have a look at.
And we've got vouchers for a glass of bubbly each.
Yep, for the celebration
for tonight,
night. Yep.
for the celebration night.
But everyone gets that.
Don't play it down.
No.
It's a nice touch though, isn't it? Get a free glass
it
of bubbly. It's a nice touch.
And then there's an 80s with Pulse at, well, it's on at 7:30 and 11:30, but we're going to the 11:30 one.
We are. Let me just turn the camera around and show you what Sarah looks like tonight. Oh, so she's wearing a lovely number of, don't know.
This is my favourite glittery dress, and you've probably seen it lots of times before on the other cruises. I bought it from New Look a few years ago, and I absolutely love it because it's really comfortable, and I think it looks nice on me as far as I know.
You've got to have glitter on celebration night, haven't you?
And obviously I'll have heels on when we go out. But there we go.
No falling over, love it. As always, she's looking lovely. Come along with us, let's go and have a drink, let's have some dinner, do the race night and just have a great night.
Yeah.
Come along with us.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Thanks. So do you.
Both look very nice. Have a look. Very nice. Let's go and get a drink. So we come out to the Planet Bar and we've redeemed our vouchers for the bubbly. So the captain said on the announcement, I don't know if you heard, or you're asleep then. Cat's made an announcement about the vouchers and everything else, and he said it would be lovely if everyone could toast Azura and cruising.
Okay.
So how about doing that?
Yes, we will.
So should we do that now? Yeah. Azura and cruising. Nice. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers for gears. We are waiting to get in now. A couple of people ahead of us in a queue.
I was smiling because I was a picture.
We've had a little look at the menu, but we still don't know what happened, do we, guys?
No, still deciding.
We'll find out very shortly. How are we doing?
It is. We are
What's the thing so far? Have a look.
number 4, but hang on, let's refresh. Waiting. Number 4.
Number four. We're almost there. We'll pick you up when we get in there. At the table. Arrived and waiting for the menus to come. Then we're going to choose. And two extra guests. I think it's going to be the captain, isn't it?
Yes, the captain's coming.
Yeah, I think the captain's definitely.
He contacted us privately, didn't he?
Did he?
Yeah,
So we'll be there.
Yeah.
Hold my place. Lovely. Lovely. Got some water, we've done the drinks orders, and we've got some sort of a drink thing. I'm not sure what it's called. What's it like, Sarah?
Cold soup.
Cold soup.
It's nice though.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oniony, cheesy?
I do it. It doesn't really taste cheesy to me.
Does not.
But yeah, it's got cheese in it.
Do you like the cheesy oniony drink?
Yes, I like it very much. It's a bit like a cheesy vegetable soup,
Yeah.
cold,
Cold.
with nice crispy onions. It's
Yeah.
actually very nice. Yeah, I like it.
Very good, very good.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Crispy pork shoulder is what we've got. I think we've all got that actually. All got crispy pork shoulder. What's it like? Nice.
That is very, very nice, yes.
Very, very nice is what I've got there. Sarah's taking a photograph. Do you want to have a taste, Sarah? Sarah Jean?
Just taking a photograph.
Okay. I want to know what you think. What do you think of it all?
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
Crispy.
Right, let's get into mine. Has arrived and smells lovely. You're not having soup, are you, Paul? He's having the goat cheese thing that I forgot about. I was going to have that actually. Going to have that. Right, Sarah Jane. What's it like?
Very nice.
Well, I like it.
Yeah.
Right, let's dig in. Review everything on Cruisy. That was lovely. Really enjoyed the soup. Did you enjoy the soup?
Yeah, really nice.
Was quite nicey. Did you enjoy the soup?
Yes, very nice.
We had the barge in as well, the red onion
Yep.
bargee.
Red onion bargee.
Now, Paul didn't enjoy the goat cheesy thing. Panicotta.
I haven't read the menu properly, but it's very jelly goat's cheesy. Not,
Very jelly goat
not
cheesy.
how I imagine a normal nice goat's cheese would be. Just that you can see a little bit of a wobble.
Oh, I see. So that was not reading the menu, not P&O's fault.
Bad knowledge, no.
Bad knowledge. But hopefully the main will be better. Main course arrived. We have all got the same. Beef medallions, 3 rare, 1 medium. Come on then, Sarah Jane. Oh,
Do you want me to start?
we need a taste test, please, Nicole. We need to know what you think of it.
Well, it's cutting nicely, so that's
Good,
positive.
good sign, good sign.
Right, let's see.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes, not chewy at all.
Not chewy at all. Sarah Jane. Any moment, here she goes, here she goes. Right then, Sarah Jane. Nice. That was really nice. The beef medallions were great. Starters were nice. Just waiting for the pudding. And see what that's like. Here's the honeycomb ice cream. Looks amazing, actually. You got the same?
I've got one of each flavour.
What have you got?
One of each flavour.
What have you? Oh, ice cream. You've got.
I've got one of each as well, vanilla, Eton mess and honeycomb. And a wafer.
I have a mousse with salted caramel.
And
Look at that.
is it nice?
Looks incredible. It's warm. Oh yes, I can't wait.
Very nice.
Bon appetit.
Yes, bon appetit.
Let's go.
Bon appetit.
Oh, it's more like a brownie.
Come on, let's have it.
Oh, stuck.
Sarah Jane.
He likes
Like a
it.
brownie. Wow.
Nice.
Wow, very nice.
back at the cabin. Fantastic night. Pulse looked great. A new pulse. No, I haven't. We went to the buffet just to have a little look at what was on offer. End up having just a couple of little bits.
You did.
Little bits. But it's good. So, thank you very much for tuning in. Do tune in tomorrow for episode number 3. We are going to be tomorrow at Madeira. We're doing cable cars.
We're doing the cable car, going up to Monty, seeing what's going on up there, and then coming back.
We are. Going to have a great time, aren't we?
Around Madeira. It'll be good.
Yeah, it'll be good. So tune in tomorrow. Thank you so much. Do subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you like the videos, like them. We've got more coming up, haven't we?
Yes, there'll be lots.
But get ready for episode number 3 in Madeira tomorrow. Good night. Thank you so much for watching episode number 2. If you've got any questions or comments, please do drop them below. We'll answer things as honestly as we can, as we always do. It has been a sea day today. Madeira tomorrow, episode number 3. Do look out for that one. We're doing the cable cars. We're so excited.